Today we have our guitar tutorial of the classic Elvis, Blue Christmas, here as a chord melody. This one I would kind of rank in like a easy to intermediate, but it has some cool bluesy country slides I'm going to be doing with it. All right, and this is something we're doing over for our members over at Rock Like the Pros. All right, check it out. First 4 bars, couple of single notes, nice C chord. Then we're going to do some pinches. I'm just using my pick and my finger. And then this cool G7. And then a next part. Again, we're going to start with some single notes. And then a D minor, right to a G7, and then some double stops again. Nice slide there, and it's okay to get a little bit of twang on that. All right, next part. Couple single notes to a nice G minor 7. Single notes to the A7, D minor, and then add that first finger. Next part. All right, so I like that part at the end. We'll get to that in a second, but it's going to start right here at a D7. Go ahead and strum all the strings, and then a couple single notes, and then strum it again. And then check this out. It's just going to be open, G basically, 3 open strings, and then single notes, and then right to an F, F sharp, and G. All right, do it with me. And right from the D7, and. Now the next part you're going to recognize, because it's pretty much all the same except it changes a little bit at the end, but check it. A couple diminished chords right at the end, but that's where it changes. So it's after the G minor 7, that's all the same, A7, and then when you get to this D minor, just slightly different, and then we're going to go to this D sharp diminished 7, if you want to slide it up. That's fine, it's not part of the melody, but it still sounds cool. And then the ending here is going to be this. Single note, and then double stop. And then we're going to tag it with this G7 and C. All right, so let's play that last part. Okay, it's going to from the G minor 7. And then we'll just stay there for now. And then ending. And the tag. All right, and there you have it. Let me know how you're doing on this. If you need the tab, we got that over at Rock Like the Pros. We'll put a link for all that stuff. Also, if you're in need of any music instruments, we do have an online store, terrycartermusicstore.com. Check that out. But let's do it now from the very beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. There you have it, our Blue Christmas guitar tutorial / chord melody tutorial. Let me know how you did. Did you dig it? Check us out at Rock Like the Pros, Terry Carter Music Store. Appreciate you being here, and we'll see you next time.